So in this business settings, I'll just give you a quick recap as we have already seen this dashboard where we have managed all the kind of accesses who all have the people access, the account accesses, as well as the pages accesses. So it's the business setting tool. Now let me quickly go back and show you all other tools available. So these are basically the shortcuts. If I have to open the ads manager, which is already open, then ads reporting, ad account setting, audiences, billing payment. So all these options which are available here, you can see the shortcuts available over at the top as well. Now, in order to manage your business, there are few other tools which are very helpful. These are apps. Let's say if there is an app that you want to promote, then you're going to use this particular option. So again, billing and payment, brand safety and sustainability. So this is primarily for those brands which are very cautious about their brand safety, where they can put controls that where they don't want their ads to show up. So such kind of things could be managed from here. Now, business settings, we have already seen it. There is a business support home. So these are basically all the support related things. You can find it out here. Now, collaboration center. Now, let's say if you want to collaborate on particular post with other people, maybe it's a